I'm about to show you how I was able to make this money that you're seeing right here on my screen within 4 days, guys. Within these 4 days, I wasn't even serious with this platform, but I was able to pull up this money that you're seeing right now on my screen. Now, the crazy part of it is this. Within 2 weeks, I was able to scale up and made over 60,000 Naira using this same platform that I'm going to disclose to you guys in today's video, right? Now, the purpose of this video is to show you step by step how I was able to scale up and made over 60,000 Naira using this platform. Now, but before showing you the step by step, I'm going to make a bet with you guys, and I want the bet to go this way. I want you to like this video that you're watching right now, like this video, and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Then after subscribing, I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to scale up and made over 60,000 Naira using this platform. And after showing you the step by step and you never made any money, I want you to come back to this channel, dislike this video. After disliking this video, I want you to unsubscribe from this channel. Not only disliking and unsubscribing from the channel, I want you to leave a bad comment in the comment section saying you never made any money from this platform, right? But after following the step by step I'm going to show you, and you are able to make money, I want you to do something for me. I want you to share this video to your family and friends so they can also benefit from what I just shared to you guys in today's video, right? So if I see me for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Leo, and I create content around online and offline business. So do well to join this family by smashing the subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside that subscription button, because what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you're watching. And to my returning subscribers, I want to appreciate you always coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a new video. I don't take it for granted. You're welcome. Now, with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video.
Alright guys, so let's get started. Now I'm going to take us through 3 steps. All right, I'm going to take us through 3 steps. Now the first step is going to be telling you the name of the platform and then taking you through the registration process. All right, and that will lead us to second step, which is to show you exactly what I did that made me 8,000 Naira within 4 days using this platform. All right, and then that is going to take us to the third step, which is going to be the final step on how I was able to scale up and made over 60,000 Naira within 2 weeks using this platform. All right, guys, as I speak to you right now, that money is still increasing. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump straight into the video. All right, now I'm going to pin a comment in the comment section where I'm going to leave a link. You're going to click the link in order to get started with the registration. All right, is either you click at the comment section, at the pinned comment section, where you're going to see a link for the registration, or you're going to click on the video description. I'm going to leave a link also in the video description. So it's either you choose the link in the comment section, which I pin in the comment section, or you go to the video description. Either ways, right? So once you click on the link, which I will pin in the comment section or in the video description, it is going to bring you over to this place. Right now, here you are going to type in your full name. Right over here, you're going to type in your full name. So as long as you clicked on that link, you are going to see this name right here. Right, if you did not see this name right there, that means you did not click on the link. But in case you did not see the name, make sure you type in that name. All right, look at it very, very carefully so that you can type in that name there. Right, but as long as you click on the link, you are surely going to see that name. Right, now the next thing you are going to do is to click on sign up. All right, so once you click on sign up, it's going to take you over to this place that said almost done. Right, then you're going to type in your username. All right, choose a preferred username, type in your username over here, then type in your email address here and choose a password that you are going to remember. So once you must have typed in your username, your email address, and you must have choose a password, then the next thing you are going to do is to click on create account. Right, so once you click on create account, it's going to bring you over to this place. Now that email that you typed, all right, hawkit is going to send a code, a verification code to that email. Right, now it says verify your email address. To continue using hawkit, please verify email address by entering the 2-factor code sent to your registered email address. Right, so go to your email address, the email you typed, log into the email, then copy the code, then type it inside this box, all right, and click on continue over here, right? Then once you click on continue, it's going to bring you over to this place that said welcome to hawkit. Congratulations, your name, your email has been verified successfully. You will need to set your gender and current location before you can continue. Now over here you're going to choose your gender, whether you are male or female. Then here you're going to choose your state, and then here your local government. Then click on set location, right? So once you click on set location, it's going to bring you over to this place for you to choose your profile picture, right? Don't just sleep on it, just maybe choose a random picture for you to just continue. So once you click over here to select a picture, it's going to take you over to your gallery. So you just pick a random picture. So I just picked an emoji, right? So once you must have selected a picture, then click over here that say click to proceed, right? So once you click there that say click to proceed, it's going to bring you over to this place. Now here you have to type in fill in your date of birth, right? Now it says let's know more about you so we can personalize your experience on hawkit, right? So choose your day, your date of birth, that's the day you were born. Choose the month, choose the year. If it is 20th December, good and fine, pick it. The month, choose the month. If it is December, your year. If it is 2001, you know your year, choose it. Then over here is for you to select your religion, whether it is Christianity, Muslim, whether you're Muslim. All right, so then click continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring you over to this place that say welcome to hawkit, right? Get people to post your ad on their social media. All right, so this particular place is for advertisement. All right, I'm going to make a separate video to talk about how you can advertise on hawkit. So it's all about advertising on hawkit, right? But this video is about this place, all right, that said get paid for posting adverts on social media. All right, so this video is just for this particular one. So this is the main reason why I'm making this video, right? So you have to click over here, right? You have to click over here that said become a member. All right, so once you click there, it's going to bring you over to this place that said turn your social media account into a money making machine. All right, do you know you can earn daily income by performing social media tasks such as likes, follows, comments, share, retweet, etc. All right, that is one of the many benefits of becoming a member on hawkit. Now, once you get registered, hawkit is going to give you a welcome bonus of 200 Naira, right, as a new member, right? But then for you to activate your account, you have to make a one-time payment of 1,000 Naira, right? Just 1,000 Naira. I made that payment, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to make another payment because I'm kind of registering a new account. All right, for you to make money, you need to spend money. All right, I paid that 1,000 Naira, and then when my account is activated, when I started, my first 4 days I was able to make up to 8,000 Naira, and then within 2 weeks I was able to scale up and made over 60,000 Naira. As I speak to you now, that money is still increasing, right? So you have to spend money in order to make money, right? Now you have to click over here, click here in order to make the one-time payment. So once you click over there, it's going to bring you over to this place, right? Now here you have to click here in order to make your payment. All right, then once you click there, it's going to bring you over to this place. Now inside this box, you have to type in the 1,000 Naira, which is your one-time payment. All right, it's just kind of a lifetime payment. All right, so you're just making that payment to once, and that's all, you're not making it again. All right, so inside this box, you have to type in the amount, which is 1,000 Naira, and then click on fund my wallet, right? So once you click on fund my wallet, it's going to bring you over to this place for you to type in your card details, right? Your card details, your card number, the month, expiry date, and the CVV, right? And then click on pay 1,000 Naira, and boom, it's going to be successful. But in case you do not have maybe ATM card and maybe you are looking for another alternative for payment, then you have to click down here that says change payment method. So once you click there that says change payment method, it is going to list out different ways you can be able to make payments, be it using a card to pay, USSD, bank transfer, pay with barter, pay with pay attitude or pay with Paga, right? Different ways for you to make payments, right? So let's say that you want to make payments using bank transfer. So when you click on bank transfer, it's going to bring out, generate details, bank details for you to make a transfer. I think these bank details can last for like maybe 1 hour and then it will expire, right? So once you must have transferred, you just have to click on I have made this bank transfer, and boom, your account is going to be credited with 1,000 Naira, and this your hawkit account is going to be activated, right? So once you've made the payment, I'm going to make the payment, right? Let's go. So once you must have made the payment, right, you're going to it's going to bring you over to this place that say congratulations, you are now a member, right? Your membership has been activated successfully. You can now earn daily by posting adverts and performing tasks on your social media account. Click the button below to start earning by generating your next task. You can perform as many tasks as possible. Now, this is the end of the first step. All right, so I'm going to the second step that I used and made up to 8,000 Naira within 4 days, right? So you have to click over here, right? You have to click over here that said N, right? So once you click there, it's going to bring you over to this place. Right now you have kind of a 2 session. Now the first session is to refer people to advertise on hawkit and get 10% instant referral bonus on all adverts placed, but we're not going to be dealing with this session. All right, now this is where we'll be working with, right? That is where we'll be working, and that was what I used in making the 8,000 Naira within 4 days. So you have to click get started right here, right? So click get started, and then it's going to list different tasks, all right? Different social media tags. All right, now you can make a post on Twitter and earn 100 Naira. As you can see, you can make a post on Twitter and earn 100 Naira, make a post on Facebook and earn 100 Naira. The same thing applicable with Instagram and TikTok, and as well as WhatsApp, right? So this was what I was doing, all right, that made me up to 8,000 Naira within 4 days. Now for making a post on let's say Facebook, for example, let me show you how you can make that post. So once you click on select, you have to link your Facebook to hawkit, right? So when I say link your Facebook to hawkit, I don't mean hawkit is not going to ask you for your username or password of your Facebook. They only request for your profile link, all right? A link that once they click on that link, it is going to take them to your Facebook account, Facebook profile, all right? So for you to link your Facebook to hawkit, you just have to click over here that said add Facebook account. So once you click there, it's going to bring you over to this place, right? Now this is what hawkit requests is requesting from you. Now this place is for you to type in your Facebook profile link, a link that whenever someone clicks on that link, it's going to take them direct to your Facebook account. All right, that is the link you're going to post there. And then the second link is the post. Now for you to get the post you're going to make on your Facebook, on your Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, anyone, hawkit is going to be the one to give you a particular post that you are going to make on your whether Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever. All right, now how do you get this post from hawkit? You have to click over here that said download advert. So once you click over there, you're going to download a kind of a flyer from hawkit, right? You're going to download a flyer from hawkit, and then you have to click over here that say the copy text. All right, so once you click there, you are going to copy this text, right, that say the hello, I would like to share with you an amazing platform called hawkit. With hawkit, you can earn daily income by turning your social media account into a money making machine, right? So once you click on copy, it's going to copy this text. So once you get to your, let's say, Facebook account and you want to make the post, you have to select that flyer that you downloaded. Once you select the flyer, you are going to paste this that you just copied from hawkit, then make that post on your Facebook. So once you must have made that post on your Facebook, you have to copy the link of that particular post that you made. Then you have to paste that link inside this box. All right, so once you paste that link inside this box, you're going to click on link account, and that is how you are going to link your Facebook account. So next time you're not going to follow all this process again, right? And that's exactly what I was doing, and I gave myself a target of 2,000 naira per day, right? 2,000 naira per day. So I was actually doing this maybe when I'm less busy, and maybe when I feel like playing game. This is what I normally do. All right, so I gave myself a target of 2,000 naira per day. All right, 2,000 naira per day. Right now, 2,000 naira into 4 days made me up to 8,000 naira. And so when I made up to this 8,000 naira, I was wowed. Like, so I was able to make up to 8,000 naira within 4 days. That means if I should look very well in this hawkit platform, there is still possibility of me to make more. That was when I was very hungry and I was searching for ways to make more. And that was when I realized this secret that I used and made and scaled up to 60,000 naira within 2 weeks. Right now, that is going to take us to the third step on how I was able to scale up and made up to 60,000 naira within 2 weeks. Right now, this is what I want you to do. I'm going to list a step for me to put you through this secret that I discovered that made me up to 60,000 naira plus within 1 week. Now, I'm not going to talk about that in today's video, right? I'm going to lead you to my WhatsApp. Now, I know when I say I'm going to lead you to my WhatsApp, some persons will be like, I'm going to charge you. No, I'm not going to charge you. Besides, this is one of the benefits for you to be a subscriber to this channel, right? I'm not going to charge you, all right? Just come to my WhatsApp, DM me on WhatsApp. I'm going to take you step by step on how I was able to do it and scale up to 60,000 naira or more than 60,000 naira within 2 weeks, all right? Now, this is what I want you to do. Make sure you've liked this video, all right? Make sure you like this video. If you're yet to like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, all right? Because I'm very sure you are getting value from this video, all right? Smash that like button and I'll surely appreciate. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscription button, all right? I'm going to tell you this for free. I'm not going to charge you anything, all right? This is one of the benefits of you becoming one of my subscribers, all right? Now, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to leave a link which you're going to use to register with this hawkit and create an account with this hawkit. I'm going to pin a comment in the comment section, all right? And that comment that I'm going to pin there in the comment section, I'm going to leave a link, and that link is what you're going to use for your registration. I'm going to leave it in the comment section or in the video description, either ways, all right? So make sure you click the link. I repeat, make sure you use the link for the registration, all right? So once you've clicked the link for the registration and you are done with the registration, and you must have made your one-time payment of just 1,000 naira, I'm going to leave either another link again that is going to lead you to my WhatsApp. If you did not see another link that is going to lead you to my WhatsApp, you must surely see a phone number, a WhatsApp phone number, all right? Either ways, either I leave a link or WhatsApp phone number, either ways, just send me a DM on WhatsApp. Tell me you are here for hawkit scale up, and I'm going to take it from there. All right. So I'm going to recap. Click the like button of this video in appreciation. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, make sure you use the link I'm going to pin in the comment section or in the video description to register. All right. Use the link to register. Then once you must have registered and once you must have made your one-time payment, send me a DM on my WhatsApp and I'm going to take it from there. All right, just know that Leo loves you and I want you to keep winning. All right, so guys, this is the end of the video and I'm expecting you in my inbox. Let's go, guys.
Hi, I'm glad you made it to the end of this video and I'm very sure you enjoyed this video. So why don't you like this video to show appreciation, right? Just go ahead and smash the like button of this video to show appreciation. And if you are still here to subscribe to this channel, guys, go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, please don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you watched. And until next time I see you again, comrades. Bye.